Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Speaking Practice Podcast. I'm Jane.
And I'm Chris. Today's topic is very important. We are talking about good manners. So, Jane, what are good manners?
Well, good manners are small, everyday gestures that reflect empathy, consideration, and courtesy, and help us be polite, kind, and respectful.
So, good manners help us get along with others?
Exactly. At home, at school, at work, and in public, wherever you may be, good manners are important. Good manners are recognized all around the world across different countries and cultures, and are as important in casual situations as they are in formal situations.
But are good manners set rules that should be followed, or does it depend on the person?
Good manners are not really set rules that everyone has to follow, but are basic actions and words that people should have or do to maintain a good society. Good manners are often considered as the foundation of social behavior, reflecting an individual's character, upbringing, and values. We can simply say that good manners are more about personal values, expressed through respectful behavior, a general code of conduct and behavior.
So, to create a good society, we all have to strive to be well-mannered.
Yes, exactly. Manners also play a significant role in fostering positive relationships and creating a pleasant social environment. When individuals exhibit good manners, they demonstrate empathy, kindness, and thoughtfulness towards others. This, in turn, promotes a sense of community and enhances social interactions, leading to stronger connections and a more harmonious society.
To be honest, Jane, sometimes I'm afraid of being rude because I don't know the right words.
That is a very common fear, but here's a secret. In English, being polite is more about how you say things than using big, difficult words.
That's a relief. Okay, let's start simple. What is the most important good manner in English?
Saying please and thank you.
Can you give examples?
Of course. Say, could you please help me? Can I have some water, please? And after someone helps you, say, thank you. Thank you very much. You can also add, that's very kind of you. And if someone says thank you to you, say, you're welcome.
That sounds easy. So, Jane, when do we say, excuse me?
We say excuse me when we want to pass someone, ask a question, or interrupt politely.
For example?
Excuse me, can you help me? Or, excuse me, may I sit here?
And when do we say, sorry?
We say sorry when we make a mistake or hurt someone.
Like,
I'm sorry, I'm late. Or, sorry, I didn't hear you.
what about greetings? Are they part of good manners?
Yes, greetings are very important.
What greetings should beginners use?
You can say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
And when we leave?
Say goodbye, see you later, have a nice day.
Jane, is listening also good manners?
Yes, good manners mean listening when someone is talking.
So we should not interrupt.
Correct. Wait for your turn and listen carefully.
What if I want to speak?
You can say, excuse me, may I say something?
How can we be polite in public?
Speak politely. Do not shout. Say please and thank you. Respect other people.
Simple, but very important. Let's move on to a classic situation. I'm at a coffee shop. I want a latte. Do I just say, give me a latte?
Oh, definitely not. That sounds like a command. For beginners, you can use, can I have a blank, please?
Can I have a latte, please?
Perfect. And if you want to sound even more natural, you can say, I'd like a latte, please.
I'd like a latte. Okay, I've got it. Now what if I accidentally bump into someone on the street? Do I say, I'm sorry, or excuse me?
Good question. Use excuse me before you interrupt someone or to get past them. Use I'm sorry after you make a mistake, like bumping into them.
So before I say, excuse me, can I get past? And after I say, I'm sorry I stepped on your foot.
Exactly. You're a natural.
Thanks. One more thing. What if someone offers me more food or a drink, but I'm full? I don't want to be mean.
Just use the magic duo. No, thank you. It is short, polite, and very clear. No need to explain.
No thank you. Simple. So to recap, can I have, excuse me, and no thank you?
You've got it. And remember, Chris, a smile and a please go a long way in any language.
Okay, so Jane, let's say I'm in a group discussion and I want to say something, but someone else is still speaking. What do I do?
Don't interrupt them. This is important and very respectful. Just wait until they're done if it's not an emergency. And if you happen to interrupt them, you can say, I'm sorry, go ahead. In group settings, it's important to take turns while speaking.
Ooh, that is important to note.
It is, especially when you don't want to sound arrogant or be disrespectful.
Now, Jane, we've talked about what to say, but what about what to do? I want to know more. What are the unspoken rules in English-speaking cultures, and how do we express good manners through our actions?
Good question. Good manners are also about making the people around you feel comfortable. Let's look at 3 big areas: greetings, actions, and time.
Okay, let's start with greetings. In my country, we might bow or just nod. What do I do in an English-speaking office or party?
Usually, a firm handshake and eye contact are standard, but the most important thing is the phrase. Don't just say hi. Follow it with, hi, how are you?
Do they actually want to know how I am?
Usually, it's just a polite ritual. You can simply answer, I'm good, thanks. And you? It's like a tennis match. You always hit the ball back.
I've seen people holding doors open for others. Is that a rule?
It's a very kind habit. If you see someone walking behind you, hold the door for a second. As they pass, they will usually say, thank you. You should respond with, you're welcome, or no problem.
No problem. I like that. It feels friendly. What about time? If a party starts at 7 p.m., is it okay if I arrive at 7:15?
In English-speaking cultures, especially for business or a dinner at someone's house, being on time is a sign of respect. We call it being punctual.
What if I'm late? Traffic is crazy sometimes.
If you're going to be more than 5 minutes late, send a quick text. Sorry, I'm running a few minutes late. It shows you value their time.
Okay, Jane, let's practice.
Great idea.
So, when asking for something, we say,
Can I please have?
if someone helps me, I say,
Thank you.
if I make a mistake, I say,
I'm sorry.
when ordering, I say,
I'd like blank, please.
when I want to get someone's attention, I say,
Excuse me?
when refusing an offer, I should say,
No, thank you.
now I understand. Good manners help us speak better English and be kind.
That's right. Manners extend beyond mere politeness. They include a wide range of behaviors, including active listening, showing gratitude, being patient, and refraining from interrupting others. By practicing good manners, individuals contribute to a positive and respectful social atmosphere where everyone feels valued and heard.
As always, thank you for sharing your knowledge with us, Jane. It's been great learning from you.
My pleasure. I have a little homework for us all. This week, I want everyone to try the after you rule. The next time you walk through a door, hold it for the person behind you and say, after you. It's the easiest way to practice your English and your manners at the same time.
Wow, okay. I can't wait to practice everything I've learned today, and I'm sure our audience feels that same way. But it's time to wrap up, and to our listeners, if you liked this episode, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below, or share this episode with a friend or your family.
And as always, thank you for joining us on the English Speaking Practice Podcast. That's it from us. See you on our next episode.